Ever wondered what exact laptop model you're using right now? Whether you need this info for tech support, buying accessories, or just satisfying your curiosity, I'm about to show you the quickest way to find out in less than 30 seconds. I'm here with another simple tutorial that's going to save you time and confusion. If you're already finding this helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss these quick tech tips that make your life easier. All right, let's jump right into it. The method I'm showing you works on any Windows laptop, and it's built right into your system. No need to download anything extra. Here's what we're going to do. First, look at your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. You'll see a search bar. It might say type here to search, or just show a magnifying glass icon. Click on that search bar to activate it. Now, here's where the magic happens. You're going to type system information. But here's a pro tip that'll save you even more time. You don't need to type the whole thing out. Just type system info and Windows will know exactly what you're looking for. Now, let's see what happens next. As soon as you start typing, you'll notice that Windows shows you suggestions. Look for the app called System Information. It should appear right at the top of your search results. This is exactly what we need. Go ahead and click on System Information to open it up. Don't worry if it takes a second or two to load. This app is gathering all the detailed information about your computer. Here's where things get really interesting. Once the System Information window opens, you'll see it's organized like a folder structure on the left side. The first thing you'll notice is something called System Summary, and that's exactly where we want to be. Perfect. Now you're looking at your System Summary, and this is like the ID card for your entire computer. Let me walk you through exactly what you're seeing here. Look for a line that says System Model. This is the golden information we came here for. In my case, you can see it shows HP 250G5 Notebook PC. This tells me the exact model of my laptop. Your screen will show something different based on your specific laptop. It might say Dell, Lenovo, Asus, or whatever brand you have. But wait, there's so much more useful information right here. Let me show you what else you can discover. Right above the system model, you'll see System Name. This is basically your computer's nickname on your network. And here's something really cool. You can also see what type of system you have. Mine shows x64 based PC, which tells me I'm running a 64-bit system. This is super important information if you're ever downloading software or drivers. The surprises don't stop there. Scroll down a bit and you'll find your processor information. In my case, it shows Intel Core i3. This tells me exactly what kind of processor powers my laptop. Whether you have an Intel Core i3, i5, i7, or an AMD processor, it'll all be listed right here. You can also find information about your system's architecture, installed memory, and even when your system was last started. It's like having a complete technical profile of your laptop right at your fingertips. Now you might be thinking, this is cool, but when would I actually need this information? Great question. This information becomes incredibly useful when you're contacting tech support, buying accessories like RAM upgrades or laptop cases, downloading drivers, or even selling your laptop and need to provide accurate specifications. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you now know